If you're a woman who's ever thought about securing your financial future, you're in the right place. We're diving into something that's becoming a game changer for many women: infinite banking. Now, I know the idea of managing your own finances and creating wealth might sound overwhelming, but trust me, it's not. We're here to break it down, so it makes sense and shows you how you can take control of your own financial future. By the end of this video, you'll understand how infinite banking could be the strategy you need to take charge of your money, build wealth, and protect your family's future. So, stick around, and let's explore how women like you can use this powerful tool to create lasting financial security. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you're ready to learn how to take control of your finances, and let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of infinite banking before. What is infinite banking? All right, let's get into it. What exactly is infinite banking? Simply put, it's a strategy that allows you to create your own personal bank using a whole life insurance policy. This isn't about getting life insurance just in case something happens to you. It's about using the policy as a tool to grow your money, have access to cash when you need it, and protect your future. Here's how it works. Instead of putting your money into a traditional savings account or letting it sit in a bank where it's earning very little interest, infinite banking allows you to put that money into a whole life insurance policy that builds cash value over time. This cash value grows, and you can borrow against it whenever you need. It's a way for you to have control over your money, with the added benefit of knowing your family is protected no matter what. It's important to note that this strategy isn't for everyone, but for the right person, it can be life-changing. And as women, this could be exactly the tool we need to take charge of our financial destiny. Why women should consider infinite banking? Now, you might be thinking, why should women care about infinite banking? Well, let me tell you why. Historically, women have faced more challenges when it comes to wealth building. Whether it's earning gaps, financial literacy, or simply being underrepresented in investment opportunities, women have been left out of the traditional financial conversation. But that's changing. And infinite banking is a way for women to take their financial future into their own hands. With this strategy, you're not relying on anyone else to secure your wealth. You're building something that grows independently of the traditional financial system, meaning you can take full control of your finances and create a legacy for your family. Think about it. What would it feel like to have access to a personal pool of money ready to use whenever you need it, without the limitations of a bank? That's exactly what infinite banking offers. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. How infinite banking works, a deeper dive. Let's take a deeper look at how infinite banking works and how you can use it to your advantage. When you set up an infinite banking policy, you are essentially creating a financial foundation for your future. This policy has two components: the death benefit and the cash value. The death benefit is the amount your beneficiaries will receive when you pass away, while the cash value is the money you can borrow from during your lifetime. Over time, the cash value grows through dividends, interest, and the policy's guaranteed growth. Here's the cool part. The cash value grows at a steady rate, and you can borrow against it without the need for a credit check or approval from a bank. You can use this money for anything: buying a home, paying off debt, funding a business, or even handling an emergency situation. Now, I know this might sound a little complex, but it's really not once you break it down. You're essentially creating your own financial system that grows over time and gives you control over your money. The financial freedom. Women deserve financial freedom, and infinite banking is one tool that can help you achieve it. This is more than just about saving. It's about taking control, about growing wealth on your terms, and about securing your family's future without relying on anyone else. When you control your own financial system, you're no longer at the mercy of banks or other financial institutions. You become the one who decides how your money works for you. You can build wealth, plan for retirement, and have the peace of mind knowing that you've taken the steps to protect your family's financial future. Mini CTA number 1, start thinking about your financial future. Before we dive deeper, if you're feeling inspired by the idea of taking control of your financial future, don't forget to check out the link in the description for more resources on infinite banking. It's time to explore how you can make this strategy work for you. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. How to get started with infinite banking. So, you might be asking, how do I get started with infinite banking? Here's the good news. It's not as hard as it sounds. The first step is to find a trusted financial advisor who understands the concept of infinite banking. This person will guide you through the process of setting up your policy, choosing the right insurance company, and making sure that the policy fits your goals. One of the great things about infinite banking is that it's flexible. You don't have to put in huge amounts of money all at once. You can start small, and over time, as your cash flow grows, you can contribute more to your policy, watching your wealth grow along with it. Getting started is just about taking that first step. And once you do, you'll start seeing the power of this strategy unfold. Overcoming the challenges women face in finance. Let's talk about some of the challenges women face when it comes to managing their finances. For many women, financial literacy might not have been a priority growing up. Add to that the pressure of managing both home and career, and it's easy to see why finances might take a back seat. But here's the thing. Women are changing that narrative. We are starting to take control, make better decisions, and educate ourselves on financial strategies that work for us. Infinite banking is one of those strategies that allows us to break free from the old financial system and create a new path for our wealth. By understanding how infinite banking works, you can overcome the challenges that women traditionally face in the world of finance. You can take the reins, make informed decisions, and start building your own legacy. In the end, infinite banking isn't just a financial strategy. It's a way to empower women to take control of their finances, build wealth on their terms, and ensure that their families are protected for generations to come. It's a tool that's designed to work for you, not against you. So, if you're ready to take charge of your financial future and explore how infinite banking can work for you, don't wait. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how you can take control of your money and your life. I hope you feel inspired to explore infinite banking and how it can help you achieve the financial freedom you deserve. If you have any questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, the future is in your hands. Let's make it a bright one. Start with the strategy review linked below.